Welcome to UK Tax Unpacked. Today, we're diving into one of the most misunderstood parts of your payslip, your tax code. What does it mean? How is it calculated? And most importantly, how can you make sure you're not overpaying or underpaying tax? Let's decode it together. In this quick guide, we'll break down what a pay tax code is, how it links to your personal allowance, what those mysterious letters and numbers mean, and how to spot and fix common errors. If you've ever wondered why your take-home pay isn't what you expected, this is for you. A PAYE tax code is like a set of instructions from HMRC to your employer. It tells them how much tax to take out of your pay before it even hits your bank account. It's meant to help you pay the right amount of tax throughout the year. No nasty surprises. Your tax code has two parts, numbers and letters. The numbers tell your employer how much tax-free income you're entitled to. Just multiply them by 10. The letters? They explain why your allowance might be different because of marriage, benefits, or even unpaid tax. For example, if your code is 1257FL, that means you can earn £12,570 tax-free this year. After that, the usual income tax rates apply. It's a simple formula, but only if the right code is being used. Those letters carry weight. L means you get the standard personal allowance, M or N. That's to do with marriage allowance transfers. K is more serious. It means you owe tax on additional income or benefits. And codes like BR or DZO mean all your income is taxed. Ouch. Let's break it down further. M means you've received marriage allowance from your partner and means you've given it. T covers more complex situations like multiple allowances. K means you're being taxed on income you've already received. Think company cars or underpaid tax. Here are a few real-world examples. 1257L is what most employees see. 0T means no tax-free allowance, often used temporarily. BR means all your income is taxed at 20%, usually for second jobs. K346, that means you owe tax on £3,460. These codes matter, don't ignore them. If you've just started a job and didn't fill out a starter checklist, you might get stuck with an emergency tax code like 0T or 1257LW1. That W1 or M1 means your employer is only looking at the current pay period, not the whole year. These codes can cost you temporarily. Always check your tax code. It's on your payslip or P60. If something looks off, log into HMRC's personal tax account or ring the self-assessment helpline. Report benefits, pensions or second jobs. A 5-minute check, only online, can save you hundreds of pounds. Your tax code controls how much of your income is tax-free. Multiply the number by 10 to get your allowance. Let us tell the rest of the story. It's your money, so check your code and challenge mistakes. You could be due a refund or avoid a future bill. Thanks for watching UK Tax Unpacked. We turn confusing topics into practical insights so you can take control of your finances. Like, share, and subscribe for more tax tips. And if you've got a question, drop it in the comments. We love digging into the detail.